So these are the scenes, Michelle, that are playing out. All right, so Michelle, it seems
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Abantwana Baseval, guys. Guys, when one mother cries, the whole nation cry. Kushani abantwana abayi 13 and 5 are hospitalized. The truck driver, and also the minibus driver, they also have been hospitalized. Kuthiwa udriver usurvivile and also 5 children survived. But 13 children died. There were 2 children from primary school, and then 2 children who were doing grade 12, and then the other ones they were doing grade 10, 11, yeah, grade 10, 11, between the middle. So guys, according to the police, report ET, the scholar transport driver was overtaking 2 vehicles on the road when his quantum collided with a tipper truck. Both drivers were taken to hospital and 13 children had lost their lives. A case of culpable homicide has been opened. The kids were going to Val High, Val Primary School, and El Shaddai. It is a combination of primary and high school students. Guys, let us refrain from sharing photos of dead children lying on the road, please, guys. Because even the president has shared his condolences to the parents who lost their children, and also the rest in peace to the children who had already died. This is so sensitive to watch. It's so sensitive because each and every parent prepares abantwana bakhe ekuseni and go to work, and then imagine getting a call saying umntanakho is no more. Umntana aphume ekuseni ngo-7, nawe uphumile ekuseni ngo-7, and then macedile ngo-10 uyafonela kuthiwa umntwana is no more. This is painful, guys. It's painful, so painful. Condolences to the parents who lost their children, and may their soul rest in peace. And I hope the driver, even if you can all say it's a mistake, it's not a mistake. It's much better if ever the children were late. At least bazobe bafile esikoleni. So imagine if ever he had to overtake 2 cars, imoto eziyi-2, guys, because this is painful. And then wayibona itraka iza, wahamba wayothi uyoma ngale eceleni, netraka nayo yathi nayo iyoma le eceleni, zashayisana. Abantwana, they are no more. They are no more, guys. It's so painful. It's so painful. And imagine one parent had lost 2 of abantwana bakhe. Not one, guys. Abantwana abayi-2. Abantwana abayi-2 bakhe. Guys, this is so painful. May their soul rest in peace. What are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching. This is so painful, Shem.